you guys! How are you guys doing? We don't have the mic tonight because we're doing a new video for you guys. This is like kind of like, I don't know. And I got a new haircut, so I kind of wanted to share this with you guys. This will be like a late night munchies mukbang. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna kind of scream. This is our cookie from Costco food court, you guys. We did like a little thumbnail for you guys. Hopefully you guys like this little setup. Yeah, that's the cookie. And I did a little, I got some, what was it? Coke Zero, regular Coke, and then I put some green apple soju in here. It's like a mixy drink. We're having a mixy drink because this is late night munchies. Ooh, that's pretty good. Cheers, you guys. The flavor of it is so good. Ooh, it's like green apple. Cheers. Like a green apple mixed drink. We have a huge cookie. How are you guys doing? By the time you guys see this video, this will be my first video for February. This is just a pre-filmed dessert mukbang. I don't know, you guys. I just decided to do this last minute. But this is the cookie from Costco food court. It's so good, you guys. I don't have my mic. Sorry, guys. That is so good, you guys. Maybe, you know what, you guys? I'm gonna put a napkin so I can actually show you guys how good this, and the cookies, you know, from Costco food court, they are very good, flavorful and chewy. It's so good. You guys, it's so good. This is like a late night munchies. Look at you guys. The chocolate chip. It's so chewy, ooey gooey, decadent. It is so good. Look at that, you guys. Look at the yumminess of that cookie. Ooh, good. It is so good. What I love these cookies from Costco food court. And you know, for this big cookie, I believe it's only $2.50, I think. But I kind of wish that the Costco food court cookies, I kind of wish that they had like different flavors. But I'm happy with the, what's it called, you guys? The chocolate chip cookie. It's so good. So good, you guys. It's a good cookie. Oh my god, it's so good, you guys. I got it on my hand. I don't know if it's even working. Hello? 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 Sometimes my laptop, since it's like an older laptop, you guys, sometimes it don't wanna work properly, my older laptop. I don't know, you guys. Look at the cookie, you guys. It's not working. Oh, it's so decadent. Uh-oh. Oh. I don't know, you guys. Look at that cookie. The mixy drink. That green apple. If I can find the soju that I did to put with my Coke or my Coca-Cola, I'm gonna maybe put it on the down bar below, or if when I'm editing this video for you guys, maybe I'll try to like put like a little picture. Wow, this cookie is so good, and I feel like you know this is like the perfect like thing to be drinking. I mean, to be tasty. Hopefully you guys little setup, it's kind of like my other video, but I just wanted to do something more laid back and chill. So that's why I wanted to kind of try this cookie for you guys. I hope you guys are doing so well. I don't know. Look at that cookie, you guys. It's so good. I cannot wait to share this little like late night munchies, little dessert drinky drink video with you guys. It's so good. The cookie is so good. Look at that cookie. It's so good. I'm having a time tasting this yummy cookie and then having my little drink. It is so good. I don't know what happened to this. I don't know. I need to fix that. But it's so good. If you guys go to Costco, please try out this cookie. It is so good. I know that this is not like I don't know. Since it's not like a big meal, but I kind of wanted to just try this with you guys. Let you guys in on like a meal. I mean a meal. Not a meal. But like a dessert that I really like from Costco. It's very good. I hope you guys, when you guys see this next month, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time so far in this month of February, because this video will come out in February, you guys. So, yeah. It's like a late night munchies cookie and a drink. Kind of like taste testing. Mukbang. I don't know if it's really a mukbang. I think it's more of like a taste testing. Look at that, you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's so good. It's good. So the cookie, 10 out of 10. The little mixy drink that I did with the soda, 10 out of 10. I will see you guys in another video. Yeah, bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe, you guys. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe, you guys.
Even though I come from the bottom, I know that I'm here for a reason. They wanna see me fall, they wanna take it all, but I just kept on believing. I made it through the storm and the rain, conquered all of my pain. I'm happy.